everyone, welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful purse by using JACCOB'S letter stitch. So let's get started. Step 1. Make slip knot like this. Make chain 60 or any number multiple of 5. I have made 60 chains. Make slip stitch into the first chain. Make chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the next chain. And then 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, and 1 more double crochet in the next chain, total 5 times including chain 3. Now make chain 10. Now make slip stitch on side top of double crochet like this. Again make 1 double crochet in next 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Again make chain 10. Make slip stitch on side top of the same double crochet here like this. Again make 1 double crochet in next 5 chains. If you don't know how to make JACCOB'S letter stitch, you can check my previous video, the link I'll give in description box below. These are loops forming. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, this is my last loop. Now make slip stitch on top of chain 3, which is our first double crochet. Step 2. Make chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch across until you reach the end. In the end, make slip stitch into first single crochet. Step 3. Make chain 3. This will count as the first double crochet. You can change the color also. Make 1 double crochet in next 4 stitches. Total 5 times including chain 3. Make chain 10. Make slip stitch on side top of the same double crochet to form the loop and make 5 double crochet in next 5 stitches. Continue making loops around like this. After completing this step, repeat step 2 and 3 for as many rounds as you want. In the end, it looks like this. Now let me show you how to chain these loops. Insert your hook in the first loop at the bottom and then in the upper one, which is second one, and pull through it like this. Now this is your first loop. Insert your hook in the second one. Make chains like this of these loops. Leave the last loop as it is. You can use hands also. Like this. Chain all the loops around. And leave the last loop on top like this. Now make chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now in the fourth one, insert your hook. Insert your hook in this loop also. Grab the yarn and complete your 1 single crochet. Again, continue making 4 single crochet around. 2, 3, 4. And in the fifth one, catch that loop from behind. Grab the yarn through this loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Continue making 1 single crochet like this around catching the loops. In the end, make slip stitch into your first single crochet. I am making one more round of single crochet. You can skip that. Now if you want to make this loop for your bead or anything like that, make 1 single crochet until you reach the middle or the center like this. And then make chain as many as you want. You can check it like this. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch and continue making 1 single crochet across until you reach the end. In the end, slip stitch into your first single crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now for closing this bottom here, flip it like this. Close the bottom by using single crochet method, or you can also sew this by yarn needle. I am sewing with the yarn needle. Take a long piece of yarn. You can mark the stitches also, like this. Sew it like this. Insert your yarn needle just in these 2 loops on the top. In the end, tie a knot like this and cut the yarn. Flip it like this. Now hide all the ends and attach a bead here. So this is how it looks like in the end. You can add compartment also. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.